So we're out here, we're doing a little bit of shopping at our home shopping depot, and we are in the area where you can get plants. So we just bought 2 flower pots, and here is tuna. In Jamaica we wash our hair like this. You would hold it in your hand, of course, be protected, and then you cut it in half, and it's like a shampoo, it's a soap. Aloe vera. So it's another different cactus. Yes, nice. And little succulentes. I wonder how much that costs. I wonder how much would that cost. €5. And then I also have already thorns in it. Oh. Gleich bestraft. €5. This little one costs €5. Okay. Maybe next time I will get, or let me check out the rest. Wow, that's nice. Here, some mini ones. Here's a mini one. This other one here just thingy. Okay, let me see if I can get out this one and see how much that one costs. Oh, this is $1.99. Then I can get this one. $1.99. Okay. And here they have also very nice ideas. Like here they have plants in bottles. It's amazing how they did that. Wow, look at this one. Or here. So you see, if you have like old bottles with a cork, you don't have to throw them away. You can just do this idea. It's nice. I like the idea. Yeah. Okay. This is not bad too, you know, to use it. I wonder how much this costs. That would be okay. 12. It's not bad. But would it hold out the big vase? Yeah, no, maybe. Or we need something stronger. Maybe the opium table. Yeah, but they have really nice things here. And it's soon Halloween time, so now they come up with all their decors. Okay, I have to get one of these contact papers here for our bathroom because we want to protect our newly bought sink. Or not the sink, but the dresser drawer. You think that would be enough for the whole thing over? On top.
How much meters on
2.
2?
But we need to protect 3.
Maybe 2 or
And this one? This is also 2 meter. Yeah, 67.
And how wide is this?
45.
And the thing is only 30 feet.
Yeah? So you think it will be enough?
I think so.
Because this is 5. 545.
Or was it 40 deep? 40 deep, yeah.
Yeah, you think so?
So, and how deep is, how broad is this one?
This is 45
Then it's a
and
little
2
bit,
meter.
less.
It's lesser. So should we take the 67 and then...
But I don't know if we could have go underneath, you know.
Underneath, okay.
You know, because they have to wrap it around.
Yeah. Then should we take this one then? Because if I take 2 of this, then it's also €11.
How broad is that?
90.
90. Alright, then we have 2 times 45. It's the same like that.
Yeah, no?
Then better the 60.
Yeah? 2 times 60? Okay. Yeah. just keep falling down. Okay, now we go and look for the wallpaper. Let's check out the prices.
I can put everything towards.
Oh yeah, this garden part was not there last time when we came. So we have to see where we can find the wallpaper. Oh, but look at that. Ooh, it's also nice, no? Like a little jungle. Oh, one moment, I see something. I'm looking also for a little bench that I can paint in black. Oh, they must be really expensive. Real wood. Look, 67 euros. Okay, let me get out of this place. I wasn't expecting it to be too expensive. I was looking for something very, very cheap. Even something like that palette. Look, the palette thing is not bad either. No? Yeah. But it must look like something anyway. So. Well, let's look for the... they change up a lot here. I mean, as soon as we can find it, it's okay, no? Okay. So, I always compare prices before going out. On the road. You're still tired? I don't really see what I'm looking for.
Do you look in the internet?
I did. That's why I came to make comparison before buying it online. They don't have much black, that's choice. And I don't like the patterns. Oh, that silver one looks cool. In the internet, it's a bit cheaper, I would say. No, well then I think I'll take it from the internet. Okay. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this vlog so far. And I will take you soon to Ikea or Ikea. Okay. And see you soon.
So, and now we are at IKEA and we are going to go inside. Like always, you have to wear your mask and keep your 2-meter distance. So, we are a bit hungry. That's why we are going to eat something first. The restaurant is open. Yeah, a short time. So, let's see what they have up there. And then I will show you that too. So we ate fries and chicken, and now we are touring IKEA. So this is the garden department. Here they also have few of the cactus, but I don't see the one that I am looking for. Anyway, we got some carpets for our bedroom. The other carpet that I laid down, the cat scratched it and yeah, replaced it, so to say. So I got me also a water jug. My cat wanted to drink water out of the other jug, and so break it. I bought another one, and this time I bought to break that one. And now here, wow, look at those palm trees. Only thing, the light in our apartment is so dark. They wouldn't even last long. And my cat jumped on the one I had before. She killed it. So because of our cat, I have to go artificial. The cat's head. So now I'm going to get some of these fake plants or artificial plants, and then you will see what I do with it at home. Oh, these ones, they have some purple in it. But since I started off with the normal one, I would rather get. But I think today they only have purple. Only purple. Only purple. Oh well, we can still take it. A little color is okay. Yeah, then I will take the purple one. One, two, three. Or you want to look? You bring the bag, come. I'm gonna take 10 of these. Yeah. Oh, are these fake too? Oh, look at that. Okay, my husband will check at the back if there's any.
No, it's the same one.
It's the same, no?
Mm.
I guess they want to get rid of the purple ones.
Yeah, they only have purple one then.
Mm.
Or you can cut them out, but then they look good.
No, it's okay. With the light with it, we won't even recognize that purple is in it.
Okay.
Okay, so we take 10 of these. Okay. I need both hands, so see you later. That's me at Ikea with my mask. Oh, now I'm going to collect our stuff. So, oh, my husband got it already. So, let's. We have 2 wagons to carry. Hey!
You read something with 72 hours.
What?
It has to lay down 72 hours.
So 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is that right?
Before you lay down, actually, you can.
So then, around so we can put it to stand up maybe in the bedroom, no?
I think
For
so.
3
too.
days.
Mhm.
So today, maybe Sunday, no? Sunday night, then we could use it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine. So these are all our treasures that we got. Let me show it to you. Our high mattress. Okay. Hope you like this vlog, and when we are finished with all our doings, I will make a update video and everything. So you have a nice day and hope you like this video. If you do, you are free to subscribe and to like and to share. Okay, bye guys. You will see me in my next video.